Hi, my name is Srinath Venugopal and I am an IELTS trainer here at AJINORAH institutions. So let's discuss IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, specifically line graphs and its associated vocabulary. So what are line graphs? Line graphs are a part of IELTS Task 1 questions which depicts changes in data over a period of time. The graphs have two axes, x and y axis. The x axis shows the time period and y axis shows what is being measured. The trends observed in the graph should be identified and a report made to explain the data. The word limit for this task is 150 words and ideal time for task completion would be 20 minutes. So, what are the types of line graphs? The first one is simple line graphs. These type of graphs have just a single line plotted on them. The second type is multi-line or polyline graphs. These type of graphs are commonly used for comparisons and it consists of more than just a single line. Then the third category is the compound line graphs. These type of graphs are an advanced version of multi-line graphs and the area between the lines is shaded, indicating the size of the part. What are some of the common vocabulary that can be used for line graphs? First, let's discuss about the nouns. So, to denote upward movement, we can use words like a rise, an increase, a surge, a growth, a peak. To depict downward movement, we can use a fall, a decrease, a decline or a drop. Then to denote quick changes, we can use a fluctuation, a variation, and if no changes are involved, we can say a period of stability or a plateau. What are some of the verbs that can be used? To depict upward movement, we can say to rise, to increase, to surge, to grow, to peak, to skyrocket. To denote downward movement, we can say to fall, to decrease, to decline, to dip, to dive or to plunge. To denote quick changes, we can say to fluctuate or to vary. Now moving on to adverbs. Some of the commonly used adverbs in this type of task is sharply, suddenly, rapidly, abruptly, dramatically, significantly, steadily, considerably, markedly and slightly. Gently, gradually, steeply, marginally can also be used to denote the changes. Adjective forms sharp, sudden, rapid, abrupt, dramatic, significant, steady, considerable, marked, slight, gentle, gradual, steep and marginal. Let's now discuss some of the useful phrases for this type of a task, that is a line graph. 1. Showed an upward trend or showed a downward trend. Second, hit the highest point, hit the lowest point. Third, reached a peak, showed some fluctuation, fluctuated wildly. Fourth, remained stable, remained static, remain unchanged or stayed constant. 5. Reached a plateau, reached a led off, flattened off or leveled off. 6. The highest, the lowest, the second highest, the third highest. 7. Compared to, compared with, relative to. So, I hope this was a useful exercise in understanding line graphs and in particular academic writing task 1 in IELTS. All the best for your examinations. Thank you.